Hello everyone. The member of Umkhonto weSizwe Party has sent an urgent warning and told their members that there's a plan to cause violence in the name of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, and these people have been bought to cause havoc so that they can ruin the reputation of Umkhonto weSizwe Party. The member stated that he has received information from the intelligence and said he is making a plea to all leaders of Umkhonto weSizwe Party and that they should not do any gatherings at the moment because there's people who have been bought MK t-shirts and they will be purporting as MK members so that they can start violence while the parliament is busy with the sittings, and pleaded with the MK members not to wear the MK t-shirts if they are going to meet somewhere. He further stated that people have been paid by opposition parties, or rather by a certain opposition party, to start violence in the name of Umkhonto weSizwe Party. He went on to say that in KwaZulu-Natal, there are police that are deployed there and they are not speaking isiZulu. They come from Bloemfontein and some from Johannesburg. They must tread very careful because there's a grand plan to destroy Umkhonto weSizwe, and they should all wait for MK leader, the former president Jacob Zuma, because he's busy trying to resolve this issue, and there are people that have been caught already that wanted to ban the trucks, all in the name of Umkhonto weSizwe. People on the X app, social media also exposed Traffic SA and Yusuf Abramji for fake news by trying to insinuate that there is strikes in parts of Durban with old pictures. The Traffic SA posted this image and captioned, "Durban protesting Springfield Park Burnwood Road extension." One replied and said, "Why are you lying? I'm literally in Springfield right now and there are no protests. What your intention in this propaganda?" Yusuf Abramji also posted this image and tweeted, Electron Road, Springfield, Durban, #CrimeWatch. Another one responded to him and said, "What you are doing is very dangerous and wrong. Post context, you know there's no protest in Durban. You're just trying to instigate violence." Another one said, "Hide that. Don't show South Africa's lamestream media and establishment." This said, "They'll tell you this is a movie called The Tribalist, KZN ablaze. Their imagination, chaos they want. May the good Lord and lovely, peace-loving people of KZN disappoint them. They are trying shame. Unity ma Africa." Even the EFF leader Julius Malema made a comment about the Umkhonto weSizwe Party situation in KZN and said if Umkhonto weSizwe Party is not in government in KZN, then that will be a provocation to the people of KwaZulu-Natal. We can't blame them if they react. He said that if Umkhonto weSizwe Party is not in charge, that undermines the direction people of KZN have given.